Hello guys, this is your girl Jan and I'm back with a new video. Today I'll be doing a simple nail art. I'll just be showing you how I use the Kiss nails. They're full press-ons, showing you how to do your own nails at home, especially during this quarantine time. It is really practical for us to do our nails ourselves. So the first thing I did was buff my natural nails to remove any shine from them, and then I proceeded to fitting my nails with the press-ons, and that's how they look. They're really natural looking and I really like these Kiss press-ons. So I'm using here just the regular nail glue to apply them to my nail, and I don't apply the glue to the fake nail. I apply it on my natural nail and then press the fake nail onto my nail, and then I just hold it there for a while so that it is secured properly. There you go. Look how cute that looks. It looks really natural. That's what I like about them. And especially dealing with a baby, I don't want to wear any really long nails, so these work perfectly for me. So I finished applying the nails to all my fingers, and then I'm gonna start filing them just to smooth the tips and the sides. If it's the first time you're joining me on my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and feel free to comment. So now I'm just taking a yellow gel nail polish and I'm just gonna paint the fingernail in yellow. Usually when I'm doing my natural nails, I add base coat first, but with these nails I'm just gonna pop them off when I'm after 2 weeks and throw them away. So I just added the color directly to the nail, and then now I'm adding a second coat. So I'm going to take this, it's not really red, it's more of an orange shade, and I'm just going to start doing a little nail art on my nails. I'm not going to do anything too complicated, I'm just doing something simple. So I'm going to decorate the ring finger and my index finger. And I just went in and created that diagonal section, and now I'm going to take black using a nail striper and just make some stripes across the nails to look like zebra stripes. As you can see, I've already done that on my ring finger, and I haven't done nail art in a while, so it's just coming back to me, but it's not hard, so you can do this too. I could have been a little bit neater, but because I haven't been using these brushes for a while and I didn't take the time to clean them up nicely, so they're kind of dry and tacky. But in my future videos, I'll be using new tools and doing better nail art. So I took a dotting tool, a medium dotting tool, and just put some white dots on the orange section. And then I'm gonna take a small dotting tool to create my print. So all I'm gonna do is take the black and make tiny little C's around the white. And there you have it. This was quite simple. I like the way they turned out. Not too bad. What do you think? So to seal the design and to seal everything in place, I'm just gonna use the top coat and paint over my nails, and that's it. I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you to all who have subscribed, and again, if you haven't subscribed, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and support. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, take care.